But you did not suspend him when he was talking around the gun. You did not suspend him. So how can
we did not give him the nomination. We put him aside. We did not give him the nomination. The nomination was given by BJP.
But he was already holding the office. You didn't put him aside. Ms. Joshi, please know your facts.
Politics.
He was a sitting MP. He resigned to fight the MLA elections. What are you talking about?
In UP, they picked up Kushwaha, who was behind bars. If they always
we are talking about Gujarat.
They feel can win elections for them. No, but why did you pick up even
your
Kushwaha?
Congress party is responsible for giving tickets to people whose nationality is in question.
You gave him ticket. We did not. You gave him ticket. And if Modi ji is so popular,
okay, this is not about Mr. Rita Bahuguna Joshi. The question really that we started out this debate with was whether after these by-poll results it is advantage Modi. At least that much you will concede to the BJP and to Narendra Modi, that after getting 6 out of 6 in Gujarat, Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, it is advantage Narendra Modi at this stage. At least that you will concede to the BJP?
No, that's the BJP's internal issue. Why should I debate then? Why should I give any marks to him? It is for them to decide whether it be advantageous to them in the election.
Do you think Narendra Modi has got an advantage?
In 2014, why should I say it? Let him, because you see, as I feel, soon after these Vidhan Sabha elections, he himself pitched himself. He has personally pitched himself for the top post. So obviously he's planning it, he's trying for it, he's lobbying for it. That's their personal problem, their party problem. What I'm saying
Navika,
is
the question would be equally pertinent for the BJP also to answer. Will the BJP take Narendra Modi even more seriously in Goa?
We will be going
with the
to
6 on 6.
We will be approaching the people
with the 6 on 6. Will the BJP take Narendra Modi more seriously?
Party, our programs,
what is the BJP's plan for Narendra Modi?
Why should we worry about it?
I can't hear you, Saket.
We are not worrying about it.
Sanket, I can't hear you.
Devang, Sanket's question to you is very simple. After a 6 on 6 in Gujarat, will at least the BJP now take Mr. Narendra Modi more seriously in his bid for the prime ministerial position?
But why are you presuming that he is not being taken seriously? You know that, Navika, that's not true. He is being taken very seriously, and I'm telling you, he is one of the top contenders. And very soon, in a proper way, the procedural part will be over.
The campaign committee forget appointing him as the prime minister.
But correct, but nobody else also has been appointed. That position is being debated.
Stop asking the question.
Navika,
but it will come at an appropriate time, through an appropriate process. You will have to wait.
You are in offing. Let November come and everything will be clear.
November, let me get it. Mr. K.C. Tyagi, Mr. K.C. Tyagi, we're talking about 6 out of 6 victory for Narendra Modi. At least today, the JDU would like to congratulate Mr. Modi, and would you say that it is advantage Narendra Modi in the run-up to 2014 with this by-poll victory today? Will you concede that?
नहीं, हम इसको एंटी कांग्रेस, एंटी यूपीए इंडिकेशन से मानते हैं और इसका वेलकम करते हैं.
लेकिन आप मोदी जी को कोई मार्क्स नहीं देना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
Forget marks, they did not even meet at the NCTC meeting today. Your leader did not even meet Mr. Modi.
कौन मिस्टर त्यागी, आप इसको मोदी जी की अचीवमेंट नहीं मानते हैं?
गुजरात में जो भी जीत होगी तो उन्हीं के खाते में जाएगी. जो राज्य का टॉलेस्ट लीडर होगा उसी के खाते में हार भी जाती है और जीत भी जाती है. तो उसमें मुझे कहने में कहा कोई.
लेकिन आप ये समझते हैं कि जेडीयू को अब रीवैल्यूएट करने की जरूरत है अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी, ये जो एंटी मोदी स्ट्रैटेजी है इसको रीवैल्यूएट करने की जरूरत है, ये आप मानते हैं?
देखिए ऐसा है, ये मीडिया की देन है कि हम एंटी हैं किसी के, ना हम किसी के एंटी हैं, ना हम प्रो हैं. हम नेशनल एजेंडा ऑन गवर्नेंस जिसपे अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी, अडवाणी जी, जॉर्ज साहब और नीतीश कुमार जी के सिग्नेचर हैं उससे बंधे हुए हैं, उससे बाहर कोई जाएगा तो हमारे काम करने में दिक्कत होगी। उस सिस्टम के अंदर लोग रहेंगे, हमें काम करने के लिए
that's a big admission. If you are saying you are not anti-Modi, that's a big admission, Mr. K.C. Tyagi. Rahul, would you read that statement of Mr. K.C. Tyagi as a big admission that they are no longer as anti-Modi as they would have pretended to be till yesterday?
No. Neither we are pro, nor we are anti. Nor we are anti.
Yeah, but you're not anti. I'm not saying you're pro, but if you're not anti, that in itself is a statement. Rahul, would you agree?
Don't, please. No, don't put words in my mouth, please.
I think Mr. Tyagi has made his mind absolutely clear. He said he's not against Mr. Modi. At the same time, he's saying that he's not endorsing any name as of now. So I think that's good enough, and that's a sign of a healthy alliance. I think every alliance partner has the prerogative, has the right to put forth their views, and therefore I think even the Janata United has the right to make their mind clear on this issue. And I'm glad that they are acceptable to a discussion, and they are acceptable to a discussion and deliberation on this. And that is what
Mr.
all the
Tyagi.
NDA alliance partners have said.
Okay, yes, Mr. Tyagi,
we have made our position very clear. We have made our position very clear in our national executive. We have sent some suggestions to the BJP, to its president, to the other senior leaders also. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So now we have not discussed the name of any person. We have made our position very clear, and on the question of secularism, which we believe, which we preach, there is no compromise.
You're changing the goalposts of the discussion, Mr. K.C. Tyagi, but your point is well taken.
No,
Mr. Kamal Farooqi, what do you see after this 6-on-6 that Narendra Modi has got? Do you think it is advantage Narendra Modi in the run-up to the 2014 elections after this by-poll result?
Yes, it is advantage Modi in BJP only, because definitely after this Advani perhaps has to withdraw. But as far as the nation is concerned, there absolutely nothing is going to happen. And if at all BJP is putting up Modi as a prime ministerial candidate, I think Mr. Modi was responsible for Vajpayee's downfall. Mr. Modi would be responsible for Andy Garza. Yes, we'll see it in the April, Mr. Rahul. There is absolutely no problem.
Mr. Farooqi, your judgment is not final.
We'll only
you don't even have any national presence.
We will have it, inshallah. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. We will have it.
So Devang, the question to you really is that it is advantage Narendra Modi, but will it be advantage Narendra Modi within the BJP? That will be settled over the next 3 days when the national executive meets. If you fail to make that big announcement that is expected, which is the appointment.
Do you think you'll lose the moment?
Well, again, as I say, this is not something that is decided. The party will debate, discuss, and decide. Why are you thinking that this particular month is necessary or this particular day is necessary to make that announcement? It will come through at an appropriate time.
No, because
obviously, I will not discuss it with you on the television channel.
Is the debate now settled in favor of Narendra Modi? That's the only simple question. Is the debate still an open debate?
That is something which will be known.
Navika, the way Mr. Rajnath
as and when that happens, Navika, you will get an official release from the party.
The way he is meeting all leaders within his party, it clearly indicates that the national president wants to project him. But why are they scared? If they want to do it, they should do it.
Closing remarks.
Ms. Joshi, for your kind information, political leaders enter the political field to occupy power. They don't come in just to be sannyasis.
Mr. Narvekar, Mr. Nanavati, Dr. Joshi.
So how is lobbying?
Okay. My final question as we wrap up this debate to all our panelists, and quick 30 seconds reply, please.
He's meeting all the leaders, he's meeting RSS.
Yeah.
He went to RSS office.
Okay, get your point. Dr. Joshi, get your point. But do you think that in the backdrop of these bipoll results,
to impress
Dr.
them
Joshi,
and to tell them that
can you
he
hear
should
me?
be acceptable as the chairman of the the campaign committee?
Okay, I get your point. I get your point that announcement is for the BJP to make. But my quick question as we close this debate is very simple. Do you think that this bipoll result, is in a way, perhaps forces all political parties to recalibrate their position? The BJP for Modi, the Shiv Sena to understand what they want, the JDU to go soft on Modi, the Congress to realize what the challenge that is coming in front of it, and for the Samajwadi Party to whatever it wants to do. Do you think that today will be a day for recalibration as far as political parties are concerned?
Well, our posture is very clear. We've done very good work in the interest of the common man in this country. We are going to them with the programs and policies and the laws that have been amended in the nation for their good. So we are going to them with the work that we have delivered. Governance will be our issue.
Okay, Devang Nanavati.
We will go to them. And then the people are supreme.
Devang Nanavati.
I am very clear, we don't need to recalibrate. Mr. Modi is already one of the tallest leaders in the BJP. He is being projected as one of the tallest leaders. It is for the other political parties to decide. I don't think there is any problem between BJP and its alliance parties. The JDU alliance is well there at the NDA level. The Shiv Sena has been always a very, very friendly and successful partner in the NDA and the BJP since long. And I think there is no disputes between NDA and NDA partners. But of course, there will be discussion and debating. That is permissible. That is not only permissible, that is required. It is our duty to do so. And then arrive at a consensus on a candidate first in the party and then at the level of the NDA or the alliance. And I am sure that whatever it will be settled in due course. And yes, if you are asking that is Mr. Modi one of the possibilities,
seems to be
obviously he is one of the possibilities.
Mr. Kamal Farooqi, do you think even regional parties like yours will have to recalibrate their strategies? There seems to be a UPA and an NDA. Is there another kind of politics, the third front politics that you will need to look at, and a recalibration on that front is something that you will need to do?
The calibration will go on in all the political parties because the election is still far off. 2014 we will still have the time. Every day we'll be making the recalculation. But I am happy at least in NDA, like my brother from Shiv Sena. Till yesterday they were talking about Sushma Swaraj as one of the prime ministerial candidate. At least they are closing the ranks now. Mr. Advani has also would be put into the place wherein it calculates all these things.
Is there unanimity in the view of the NDA?
But as far as we are
Rahul Narvikar, so you are pro-Modi now, at least that debate is settled?
Well, insofar as recalibration at the national level is concerned, let me assure you, looking at the way the NDA is surging ahead, a lot of parties will be inclined to join or support the NDA. And that is something, that is a reality which all of us have to agree to and face. Number two, looking at the media attention and looking at the national attention to the NDA's prime ministerial candidate, I think it's quite sure and it's a foregone conclusion that it's going to be the NDA who's going to give the next prime minister to this country.
Last word.
And that's why we are not in talking about the UPA and the Congress's prime ministerial candidate. I think we have already, I think everyone has already written them off. I think people have already written them off.
Let's give the last word to Mr. K.C. Tyagi. Okay, Mr. K.C. Tyagi, the last word goes to you. Your party leader in that national executive that happened of the JDU said, लोग ये समझते हैं कि जिस हवा में बांधने की कोशिश करेगी बीजेपी उस हवा में लोग बंध जाएंगे, लेकिन ऐसा होगा नहीं. Do you think that you will have to climb down from that position?
We said yes to NDA, we said yes to secularism, we said no to UPA's wrong politics, we said no to the corruption of the UPA, we said yes many times to the NDA and to its unity, but as well as a very good yes to secularism also.
Okay, okay. Very good yes to secularism. That leaves it
That's a
open.
very important
That's-
statement. At least it's a yes to the NDA
Yes.
as of now from
That-
the
that-
JDU.
that leaves
and
it-
that is the real moot point that Narendra Modi will be listening to today.
Of course, definitely. That leaves it open-ended though as far as the JDU is concerned, which will be good news perhaps for Mr. Narendra Modi in seeking support of the JDU. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for this debate.